on a Thursday morning, playing with my spinner knob, suicide knob. I say I got perfectly mounted. I can rest my arm on the window edge, whatever you call it. Just, do this. Play with my knob. And I have, enough room where I can do this, not get in the way. So, works both ways. So there you go. That's how come I got it on the left side. And also, primarily, I'll be using my hand controls with my right hand. So that's how come it's up here. In my motorhome, the hand controls are on the left side down here, and the spinner knob is on the right.